Good morning, students. In the last class, exercise 10.2, 9, 10 sums completed. Now write down last problem in 10.2. What is 10.2 11th sum? The curved surface area of the cylinder is 1760 centimeter square and its volume is 12320 centimeter cube. Find its height. See the problem again. This is last problem in 10.2. 10.2 11 sum is the curved surface area of the cylinder. The problem is about cylinder. The CSA, shortcut CSA. CSA of the cylinder is 1760 centimeter square. First one. Number 2. Volume is 12320. Find its height. What is CSA of the cylinder? 2 pi RH. What is volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h. So use both and find out height. Right? What is given first? Given. What is given? CSA, curved surface area. CSA, given CSA of the cylinder. Given CSA of the cylinder equal how much? 1760 centimeter square. 1760 centimeter square. What is CSA of the cylinder? CSA of the cylinder. CSA of the cylinder. What is the formula for CSA of the cylinder? 2 pi RH. CSA of the cylinder is 2 pi RH. Implies 2 pi RH equal to how much? 1760. Equation 1. Okay na? So what is given? Given CSA of the cylinder equal to 1760 centimeter square. What is CSA of the cylinder? CSA of the cylinder equal to 2 pi RH. Implies 2 pi RH equal to 1760. Equation 1. Next, volume of the cylinder. How much? Volume of the cylinder. How much? 12320 centimeter cube. Volume of the cylinder how much? 12320 centimeter cube. What is volume of the cylinder formula? Volume of the cylinder equal to pi r square h. What is volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h. So let us equate. Implies pi r square h equal to 12320. Equation 2. So what is equation 1? 2 pi RH equal to 1760. What is equation 2? Pi r square h equal to 12320. Then what to do? Divide either 1 with 2 or 2 with 1. Your wish. So divide 2 with 1. 2 divided by 1, or we can do 1 divided by 2 also. So divide 2 with 1. What is 2 left hand side? Pi r square h. What is 1 left hand side? 2 pi r h. What is equation 2 right hand side? 12320 by what is here? 1760. So divide 2 with 1. Pi r square h by 2 pi r h equal to 12320 by 1760. Cancellation. Pi cancel. H cancel. R square r times. See the cancellation is important. Pi cancel. H cancel. R square r times 0 cancel. Then how many times? 176 1, 2, 3, 2. How many times? 7 times. Okay now. So what is left? R by 2 equal to 7 by 1. R by 2 equal to 7 by 1. Do cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. R into 1 equal to 2 into 7. R into 1 equal to 2 into 7. R into 1 how much? R. 2 7 are 14. Okay na? Centimeters. So radius completed. See again. Given CSA of the cylinder equal to 1760 centimeter square. What is CSA of the cylinder formula? 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH equal to 1760 equation 1. Then second one. Volume of the cylinder equal to 12320 centimeter cube because it is volume. What is the volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h. So let us equate pi r square h equal to 12320 equation 2. Divide 2 with 1. Not only 2 with 1, you can do 1 with 2 also. So what is equation 2? Pi r square h by what is equation 1? 2 pi r h equal to 12320 by 1760. Cancellation. Pi cancel, h cancel, r square, r times. Here 0 cancel, 176, 1232 exactly 7 times. What is left? R by 2 equal to 7 by 1. Cross multiplication. R into 1 equal to 2 into 7. 2 7 are 14. Radius completed. Now we need to find out height. Then substitute R value either in equation 1 or in equation 2 to get H value. Your wish. Substitute. Put R equal to 14 in equation 1. Equation 1 is easy and small. Put R equal to 14 in equation 1. What is equation 1? 2 pi value 22 by 7 into R value 14 into H equal to 1760. Put R equal to 14 in equation 1. What is equation 1? 2 pi RH. 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 into H equal to 1760. Then do cancellation. 7 cancel, 14 cancel, 2 times. What is left? 2 into 22 into 2 into H equal to 1760. Multiply 88. Multiplication 2 into 22 44. 44 into 2 88 into H equal to 1760. H equal to 1760 by 88. Exactly 20 times. H equal to 20. H value 20. Put R equal to 14 in equation 1. 2 into 22 by 7 into 14 into H equal to 1760. 7 cancel, 14 cancel 2 times. 2 into 22 into 2 into H equal to 1760. 88 into H equal to 1760. H equal to 1760 by 88. 88 cancel, 1760 cancel exactly 20 times. H equal to 20. Therefore, height of the cylinder equal to 20 centimeters. Therefore, height of the cylinder equal to 20 centimeters. Then 10.3, exercise 10.3. Keep adding exercise 10.3. Write down problem, first problem in 10.3. Exercise 10.3, first sum. Keep adding exercise 10.3. So 10.3, first sum. Write down first sum in 10.3. The base area of a cone is the base area of a cone is 38.5 centimeter square. Full stop. Its volume is 77 centimeter cube. Find its height. Write down the problem. Very first problem in 10.3. Write down the problem first. The base area of a cone. The problem is about cone. Base of the cone is circle. What is the base of a cone? You know cone. Base is circular shape. So base of a cone means circle. The base area of a cone is 38.5 centimeter square. First one area. Second one volume is 77 centimeter cube. Second one volume. First one area. Find its height. What is the base of a cone? The base of a cone is circle. That means base area of a cone means area of the circle. Area how much? 38.5. Volume how much? 77. Find height. Write down what is given. Given base area of a cone equal to 38.5 centimeter square. Base of a cone is, what is the base of a cone? Circle. What is the base of a cone? Circle. Area of the circle. What is area of the circle? Pi r square. What is area of the circle? Pi r square. Now pi r square equal to 38.5. What is pi r square? 38.5. Okay na? Then pi value 22/7. Then what is pi r square? 38.5. Equation 1. That is equation 1. Then volume. Volume of the cone equal to 77 centimeter cube. Volume of the cone equal to 77 centimeter cube. What is volume of the cone formula? Volume of cone equal to, what is the volume of the cone? 1/3 pi r square h. What is volume of the cone? 1/3 pi r square h. Let us equate 1/3 pi r square h equal to 77. 1/3 pi r square h equal to 77. 1/3, what is pi r square value? 38.5. What is pi r square value? 38.5 into h equal to 77. 1/3, according to equation 1, pi r square is replaced by 38.5. 1/3 into 38.5 into h equal to 77. Then do the cancellation. 38.5 cancel, 77 cancel 2 times. 38.5, 77 2 times exactly cancel. What is left? h/3 equal to 2/1. Cross multiplication. H equal to 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. Therefore, height of the cone equal to 6 centimeters. Therefore, height of the cone equal to 6 centimeters. See the problem again. First condition, base area of a cone is 38.5. What is the base of a cone? Circle. What is the area of the circle? Pi r square. So pi r square equal 38.5. Equation 1. Then volume of the cone equal to 77 centimeter cube. What is volume of the cone formula? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Let us equate 1 by 3 pi r square h equal to 77. What is pi r square value? 38.5. 38.5 cancel, 77 cancel 2 times. What is left? H by 3 equal to 2 by 1. Cross multiply. H equal to 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. Therefore, height of the cone equal to 6 centimeters. In the next class, we continue the remaining problems. Thank you, students.
15 వచ్చాయి.